Hi!
Hi YouTube, it's been a while, hasn't it? If you Willem here, just letting you know what's happening with my channel. If you're a subscriber of mine, then you might remember that video where I made games for cats.
So basically, I'm gonna start doing that full time.
So to be more serious for a second, that's how it's going to continue to be. So the basic idea is iPad and tablet games that you can leave on for your animal while you're away from home. The app actually switches out content and tries out different games to try to keep your animal interested. It also actually lets you Skype your cat, and I'll tell you more about that later, and it disseminates the knowledge that it learns while trying to learn about your animal to you. So, yeah, that's what I'm building. Along with this video, I'm also releasing a beta announcement trailer, which is a little more in-depth and a little more silly, so you can go and watch that right here if you want to know more about it. But I just wanted to make this for my existing subscribers to try to explain where I've been and also where I'm going. Okay, so that's it. You can go watch the beta announcement trailer in the description down below, and also the tag that I left earlier. If you're convinced that you want to be a beta tester just from this video, you can also send me an email here, or if you have a friend who you think might be interested, I also ask, and you don't have to do this, but it would be lovely if you could share the beta announcement trailer around, because I am trying to get to 100 beta testers before I make my next steps at the company. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you next time, if you will.